大家好，我係同你一齊學英文嘅 Melody 啊。相信大家都聽過孝弟忠信、禮義廉恥呢啲中國傳統文化思想。大家有冇諗過點樣用英文去表達呢啲概念呢？例如孝順、義氣或者廉恥，應該點樣用英文講啊？想知道就記住繼續睇落去啦。You know, our neighbor is really filial pious. Filial pious? What do you mean by that? Well, it means he's very caring. He spends every weekend with his parents, taking care of them. Oh, you mean he's showing filial piety? Well, that makes sense. But to be honest, we don't really use filial piety in daily conversation. It sounds a bit too formal. Yeah, you're right. I guess I should have just said he is very good to his parents. Well, you may say he's very devoted to his parents and takes good care of them. 記得以前睇教科書，孝順好書面化嘅英文翻譯係 filial piety。filial 係子女對父母的，而 piety 係崇敬，加埋就係子女對父母嘅崇敬啦。咁亦都係引申咗孝嘅意思。不過咧，現實生活咧就好少人會用咁書面化嘅表達嘅。而孝順本身都係中國傳統文化概念，西方文化就冇100%相對應嘅講法。好多時候我哋只可以用英文去描述孝嘅直接表現，例如係尊敬啊、照顧父母啦，或者係重視家庭嘅。尊敬父母英文係 honor one's parents. Honor one's parents. It's our parents sacrificed a lot in raising us. We should honor them when we grow up. 由於父母咧喺養育我哋嘅過程犧牲咗好多嘢啦，咁所以大個咗之後咧，應該尊敬孝敬佢哋嘅。好好照顧父母，英文係 take good care of one's parents. Take good care of one's parents. He takes good care of his parents by providing financial support and spending time with them. 佢咧孝敬父母嘅方法咧就係提供經濟支援啦，同埋會花時間陪伴佢哋嘅。而孝順父母其中一個表現咧就係重視家庭啦。想講一個人以家庭為重，可以講 family oriented. Family oriented. As a family oriented person, Mary usually goes back home straight after work. 咁作為一個以家庭為重嘅人啦 ，Mary 咧多數一放工咧就即刻返屋企。至於對家庭嘅重視，英文係 devotion to family. Devotion to family. With devotion to family, Peter bought a house for his parents. 由於對家庭好重視啦 ，Peter 咧就買咗層樓俾佢嘅爸爸媽媽。咁家庭嘅定義就好闊嘅，除咗父母之外，仲有兄弟姊妹啦、子女啦，甚至係其他親戚。如果你想強調係對父母盡心盡力，英文可以講 be devoted to one's parents. Be devoted to one's parents. He is devoted to his aging parents and visits them every weekend. 佢好重視佢年邁嘅父母啦，並且每個禮拜咧都會去探佢哋嘅。咁大家記住啦，雖然用 filial piety 係冇錯，不過咁書面語、咁教科書式嘅表達咧，現實生活係好少人用㗎。大家不妨根據返孝嘅具體表現，用英文去描述返啦。Hey, could you do me a favor? Sure, no problem. I'm a person with righteous guess, so helping you out is the right thing to do. Wait, did you say righteous guess? What does that mean? Yes, I mean I will always help my friends out when they need me. Oh, I see. But righteous guess sounds really strange. You probably meant you always stand by your friends. Of course, I'll always stand by you. 義氣呢個字多數係形容朋友啦、兄弟姊妹或者團體之間嘅一種情義啊。講緊係一個人喺困難嘅時刻咧，仍然對朋友好忠誠啦，唔會背棄佢哋，為朋友挺身而出，甚至有時候係放棄個人利益嘅。咁同孝順一樣啦，喺英文入邊咧就冇100%相對應嘅詞語，不過可以根據翻 嗰個具體嘅表現方式咧，揀翻相對應嘅英文描述。好多人會話義氣係朋友之間嘅忠誠啦，所以其中一個最常見嘅英文翻譯係 loyalty 忠誠。He stayed loyal to his best friend, even when things went tough. 當啲嘢好困難嗰陣咧，佢仍然對於朋友好忠誠，咁我哋就會話呢個人有義氣啦。而兄弟情或者姊妹情可以用 brotherhood 或者 sisterhood 去形容。True brotherhood means always having each other's back. 真正嘅兄弟情誼咧，就係無時無刻都互相照應。She values sisterhood and always helps her friends when they need her. 呢個人咧好重視姊妹情啦，朋友咧需要幫忙咧，佢一定會幫手嘅。而當義氣係指無條件咁樣支持朋友，可以用 stand by someone 或者 have someone's back。Have someone's back. True friends stand by each other through thick and thin. 真正嘅朋友咧，無論任何情況，都會無條件咁支持對方。當你想好型咁樣同朋友講唔使驚，無論發生咩事，我都撐你啊。英文就係 No matter what happens, I've got your back. I've got your back 就係我點都會嚟撐你。聽落係咪好型呢？如果想上升到生死之交嘅層面，英文都有個好口語化嘅表達，就係 ride or die。Ride or die. A ride or die friend never leaves your side, no matter what. 真正嘅生死之交，無論咩情況都唔會離開你嘅。I can't believe my friend. She does not know shame. She doesn't know shame? What do you mean by that? She spreads rumors about me without feeling bad at all. She really doesn't know shame.Oh, you mean she's shameless? I agree. 不知廉恥講嘅係一個人冇乜道德底線啦，會做出令人不齒嘅行為而冇羞恥之心。英文入邊咧都有幾類似嘅講法嘅，其中最常見嘅係 shameless，翻譯就係無恥的。He is shameless for lying to his friends and taking advantage of them.呢個人好無恥啦，因為佢對朋友講大話啦，並且利用佢哋獲得好處。She was shameless in taking credit for someone else's work. 呢個人好無恥啦，因為咧佢將人哋嘅勞動成果立咗咧當係自己嘅。而一個更加正式嘅表達係 have no sense of shame。have no sense of shame， 冇羞恥之心。He has no sense of shame for how he treats his employees。呢個無良嘅老闆咧，對於自己點樣對待員工咧，係毫無羞恥。She has no sense of shame for cheating on her partner。佢對於出軌咧係毫無羞恥之心。咁至於廉恥又點樣用英文表達咧？同啱啱嘅孝或者義一樣啦。英文入邊冇一個100%相對應嘅講法。不過當我哋話一個人有廉恥咧，講緊就係佢好正直啦。喺任何情況下都可以保持自己嘅誠信啦，唔會貪污等等。咁英文入邊一個好接近嘅表達係 integrity 就係講正直或者有誠信。She is a woman of integrity and always does the right thing, no matter the situation. 佢係一個有廉恥嘅女人啦，喺任何情況咧都會做正確嘅事。咁另一個同廉恥相關嘅字就係良心啦，因為一個有良心嘅人咧，佢係唔忍心去做一啲唔道德嘅嘢嘅。良心嘅英文係 conscience。Her conscience bothered her when she lied to her parents. Her conscience bothered her 就係講緊一個人咧有啲良心不安嘅感覺啊。由於佢係有良知嘅人啦，所以同爸爸媽媽講大話嗰陣咧就會有內疚嘅感覺。其實好多我哋日常生活嘅中文用字咧，都唔可以直譯做英文啦。如果唔係，就會變咗做中式英文，外國人都未必聽得明嘅。尤其是好似啱啱嗰啲中國傳統概念，咩孝順啊、義氣啊，即係用英文都好難有100%相對應嘅講法啦。不過好多時候都有啲類近嘅表達方式嘅。咁如果有一日你要同外國朋友解釋呢啲概念咧，希望今日嘅分享係幫到你啦。如果大家想提升自己英文作文嘅能力，我都免費推出咗一份240頁嘅急救速成包，入邊會教大家由零開始建構英文句子啦，有效咁樣拓展例子，
一啲百搭高分嘅句式，同埋咧點樣快速提升句子嘅高級感。想知道點樣免費獲取呢份筆記咧，就記住留意翻下邊 info box 或者置頂留言嘅資訊啦。
咁我見大家好似對於呢啲用英文唔可以好容易表達到嘅中文概念咧，都幾有興趣，所以今日就拍片分享啦。咁大家仲有啲咩想我拍嘅題材，都歡迎喺下邊留言話俾我聽啦，我會盡量滿足大家嘅需要。如果你係第一次睇我嘅片，我嘅 channel 主要係分享英文小知識啦，之前都有分享 DSE 同埋 IELTS 嘅讀書心得、考試技巧，有時都會就咁坐喺度同大家傾下偈。唔想錯過我之後分享嘅精彩內容，就記住訂閱我嘅 channel， 開埋隔籬個鐘仔，亦都歡迎大家 follow 翻我嘅兩個 Instagram。好，今日嘅影片就到呢度。I'm Melody and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!